guys, welcome back to Recipes Mania. Today I'm going to be making peanut butter protein squares. This was originally a recipe that I got from my cousin, and then we both kind of improvised on it. She did it a little differently and I'm doing it a little differently. So I'm going to be starting with a cup of dry oats into a bowl and a third cup of honey. I didn't have quite enough, so I used a little bit of maple syrup, but just use whatever you have. All right, next I'm going to be adding a half cup of peanut butter. I'm using creamy, but you can use whatever kind you like, creamy, crunchy. We're going to add that in. All right, next we're going to do a splash of vanilla extract. That's good. And we're going to get this mixed up. All right, looks good. Now we're going to add some chocolate protein powder and mix that in. All right, so now we've got that mixed and we've got a basic batter coming together here. Now is the part where we can get creative. I'm going to be doing a few mix-ins, but you can add whatever you like to this, really. It's a very versatile recipe. The first thing I'm adding to mine is some seeds. I've got a mixture of hemp, chia, and flax seeds. These are really good for protein, fiber, and omega-3 and 6. So we're going to add some of that. All right, so we've got that nice and mixed in. And next we are going to do chocolate chips. Got some mini semi-sweet chocolate chips here. We're going to do about a half cup of that. All right, that is looking good. For our final ingredient, we are going to do some coconut flakes. So we'll add some of that in. Give it a good stir. All right, so now I've poured it out onto a tray lined with parchment paper. Flatten that out as much as I could, and now we're going to pop that into the refrigerator to set, and we'll check back in a little bit. All right, so I refrigerated it for a couple of hours, and it is set up nicely now. So we are ready to cut it. Here they are. These look so good. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, and we will see you back here next time on Recipes Mania. Bye guys.